Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, February 23rd, 2026. You're in the live trading room. Here is how we ended up last Friday. Had four trades for plus 93. Weekly total, let's let leads in. And had some good tradable moments all day. Really, some nice movement, price movement. Let me get my drawing tools out, move that over. Had that nice swing high in the beginning, a little pullback, another swing high, little sell off, swing high, sell off, swing high, sell off, swing high, sell off. It just pretty much went on all day. There was a period in the afternoon where it just went flat, and then a little bit of a swing high in the afternoon. So that was it for Friday. And Q closed at 608.91. Is currently sitting at 606.26. So no gap play this morning. Let's move up to real time. Let me get rid of something here. Cancel that right extension. And let's head over to the option chain. Now, my option, the volume on my option chain is weird. I think we've got over a million in pre-market. It's just looks odd. It's got some extra digits on here, and I'm not sure, but I think we're at 1.3 million um, in pre-market volume. We are trading the 23rd and likely be starting. Wow, things are a little expensive. We will determine which strike we're going to start out with once we get into the session and and get this pre-market volume figured into the session. Let me get my four-way chart recentered here. Price is currently looks like it's reversing, coming down a little bit. Get my chart set up here. There we go. Let's see what's going on.
Hey Tim, I am on this morning.
Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Keith Frampton.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Welcome back. Where in the world are you?
Well, I'm in Maryland. We got a bunch of snow. Plus, I caught a bug in California last week, so I've delayed my trip. I don't know how long, but anyway, I'll be on today.
All right, wonderful. Do you have some reports for us this
Yeah,
morning?
the we had the factory orders came out at this morning. No, it comes out in 32 minutes, so at 10 o'clock. We'll have a 3 and 6 month bond auction at 11:30 today, and bunch of other reports coming out later this week, along with Fed members speaking too. But that'll be it today. So likely there will be a pop today at 10.
Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. How was your California trip?
Oh, it was great. We ran into some rain that we had to reschedule various things, but we had a good time. We had a good time.
Good deal. Good deal. Appreciate the pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Keith Frampton is back with us today. And just a reminder to have 20 cents between each of your hash marks, which I do not have here. There we go, get that back where it's supposed to be. And we've got coming up on 30 seconds before we start. Missing something. There we go. Get my broader indices up. Let's make it the start of a good week. We had a real strong week last week, and let's continue that into this week. There's 15 seconds. There's 10. Stand by. Here we go in five, four, three, two, one. Huh. No bell, huh?
Oh, I heard the bell here.
There it goes.
Let me guess, you're running 12 seconds behind.
Well, we'll see here in a minute. Quite possibly. It's been running behind, even though I've got a brand new computer, new router, new everything. It's starts off running behind and then catches up. But since we don't take anything early on, that doesn't affect us too much. Getting a nice push up right here. So, on the option chain, I'll be at the 605 on the call side and the 610 on the put side. I've got to recenter my option chain. It's already out of whack. There we go. 1,000 line here. There we go. Price coming right back down to where it started. Kind of a crazy Ivan in the first 2 minutes. Yep, about 9 seconds late. Broader indices, the Dow is up by 37, Nas is down by 21, S&P is up by 3. No huge numbers there. Keith, what does your volume say right now?
Sorry, I was muted. 2.8 million. It's got a bunch of digits over at the right.
Yeah, that's happening on yours too.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing as well. Okay, good. Thought I was crazy. Of course, that's probably a different topic. Price trying to push up here a little bit, was almost breaking out and has fallen back. Got both our MACDs are firmly in the call position. Price trying to push down here a bit. Market maker tried on the first, third, and fourth minute to push price up. Even the fifth minute was unable to really kind of break out at that point, so maybe trying to move price down. Market makers looking for the traders, trying to see where everybody is, trying to get an idea of which way the wind is blowing from the retail side.
Got a good crowd in this morning.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Grateful for everybody who's on the call today. Thank you for supporting the room. Right, still pushing down. We're on the one, two, three, four. We're on a fifth minute of a push down here. All right, I'm gonna keep an eye on the 609 on the put side. I'll just track this for a bit. Let's see where this goes. So it's getting pushed right back up to VWAP.
It's up through VWAP now by a good margin.
Okay.
Yeah, your VWAP's in a completely different spot than mine.
Is it?
Yeah.
How do you have your VWAP set?
I have it just normal, like -2, 2. Mine normally looks exactly like yours. Does y'all's
Yeah,
look?
yeah, no, yours is different than mine too, Tim.
Huh. Okay. What's going on there? Mine are still behind. Keith, let's switch over to your charts.
Okay.
S-
And these are the VWAP settings I have on mine.
Yeah, let me see here when we get up to it. Not seeing your charts yet.
Oh,
Um,
why isn't it not showing? Oh, maybe I need to get out of
yeah,
that.
let's head over to
Huh.
608 on the put side. Stand by.
Why is that not showing?
I'm going to enter in the 608. And I did get filled at 373. There they are.
So you still don't see my charts?
I do. I see them now.
Oh, oh, there it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, so
All right.
what do you get in it at the
Three,
608 on the put side?
373.
What strike?
The 608.
Wow.
And I'm going to go ahead and take profit here. Let's go ahead and get profit and out at 439.
You're at a different strike or a different expiration.
I'm on the
Because mine
20.
because mine's up in the $5 range.
My 608 is showing 418. I'm on the 23rd.
Looking at tomorrow, the
Uh,
24th.
I am. For some reason, mine's on the 24th. Why was I on the 24th? Okay. All right. I'm good now.
You're just ahead of us.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, I'm going to head over to the 607, maybe. 607 on the put side. We'll just continue to keep an eye on this. We're getting a really nice push down here. Still continuing.
Let me see. I guess we can put a supply zone up here at the top.
Yeah.
5 minute MACD's crossed over going down. I'm going to try to do that 607 on the puts.
All right, 607 on the put side. Stand by. And let's go ahead and jump into that. And I got in at 380.
Mine didn't get filled. I don't think. Oh, yes, it did get filled. Come on. I got it filled at 376.
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and try to take profit here. See if it'll fill.
All right. Just took profit.
And I just took profit. 376 to 399.
Wow. Way better than me. Should have held out a little longer.
It's getting pretty low though.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Starting to see some reversal pick up here. Is that green line Friday's low?
No, that was just a placeholder for a
Okay.
supply zone. Sorry. Took it out.
Okay.
No, yesterday's low is the yellow line up here at the top.
Okay. Getting a pretty big reversal here. Hmm. Are your charts moving, Keith? Uh-oh. May have lost Keith here. Let me switch back over to my charts. Okay. I think we lost Keith. So I've switched back over to my charts. I've switched back over to my charts. So we've got Dow's down by 266, Nas down by 89, S&P down by 19. That was a nice drop we had. Nice trend down. Now we're just in consolidation for a while. We've got 7,420,000 traded on the underlying. Let's see if we get another breakout down.
Sorry about that, everybody. I just lost internet. Can you hear me, Tim?
Got you now.
Okay, yeah. I don't know what happened. I lost internet.
Okay. Let's head over to the 604 on the call side. And we should probably head back to your charts too, Keith.
Okay, yep. Yeah, right up at VWAP.
Stop showing mine. There we are. Waiting for your charts. I don't see them yet.
Oh,
I got him.
You got them, Larry?
Yeah,
Me too.
had him.
Okay. Huh. That's weird. Why do I not see?
yeah, bounced right off VWAP coming back down now.
You guys, I'll be right back.
I guess we can move that demand zone up to the bottom down here. So we have a true demand zone and a true supply zone in here. Check the right date, 23rd.
Okay, I'm back.
I did put a true demand zone in there at the bottom.
Ah, I see it. Let's add one of those in.
Had good volume on each of the minute candles.
Indeed.
About 8.7 million underlying traded so far. We've got just about 5 minutes till the pop at the top. All three indices are major indices are red. Dow's down 325. Nasdaq's down 100. S&P's down 22. At the 1 minute MACD flattening out, trying to curl over. 5 minute MACD still in the put bias direction. I'm going to wait until after the pop, though, to try to enter something here, I think.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the shared screen and saying, oh, your VWAP's back right again, but that's my chart I'm looking at.
Yeah, I'm trying to reset my VWAP here. What am I missing? Let me see. Edit VWAP. What do you have your numbers at, Keith?
Give me 1 second. Let me open it up here. So I've got -2, 2, time frame day,
Yeah.
and numerical.
Yep. Got all the same.
And your chart is set up for 1 day, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Huh. I guess you're just special today.
I guess.
Trying to think what else it might be.
Is there something in extend after hours, extend alert line
No, if you go to
to chart settings?
options, yeah, so you should show extended hours trading
Yeah.
options.
Yep, sure do. Same thing. Same thing.
Huh.
What the heck? All right. Yeah, be a call into Thinkorswim after.
Got 90 seconds till the pop. At the 1 minute MACD trying to cross over.
Mm-hmm.
And 30 seconds till the pop.
Got the 5 minute MACD still in the put bias position.
Here's the pop. I was watching the 607 on the put side, but I'd like to see it get down below this demand zone.
Yeah. Getting increased volume, at least on this pop.
Yes, indeed.
And looks like my charts are on time, finally.
All right. Well, with VWAP, you want to stay with mine?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay with yours.
Okay. I'm trying to pop up towards VWAP now. When did you get the new computer?
I got it last week after I had the other one. It was Wednesday, I think, last week. My other computer just went.
Yeah. Yeah. It's always frustrating trying to get the new ones set up right, too.
Yeah. Yep.
I'm not certain which is more fun, setting up a new computer or getting a new cell phone.
Yeah, really.
Or having a root canal.
I was just going to throw that in there, Larry. Yep.
So Tim, your old computer that just went down, was that still that 2012 iMac that you had for a long time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure it's about time.
Oh yeah, it's past. It was past its time. It just gets to a point where you can't upgrade them any further.
No, I think Apple doesn't support those anymore. It won't
No.
take the new operating system.
No, it won't.
I think that ought to be criminal.
Yep. I would agree.
Unless, of course, if you own Apple stock. I'll be back in a second.
Alrighty. All right, I'm going to keep an eye on the 606 on the put side. 606 on the put side.
Mhm.
Broken through the zone, but we'll see if we stay. It's having problems getting further down.
I'm going to go ahead and try to get in on this.
Stand by on the 606.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. At 358.
Okay.
Not a great fill.
All right. Got in at 355. All right. Stand by to get out of this. I'm going to get out of this. Come on.
Now, that added 298.
Okay. I'm still in it. I couldn't get out.
I may try to get back in on this 606 on the put,
Okay.
particularly if it gets below here. Where are we?
All right. I'm going to go ahead and take profit here and get out at 370.
I'm going to put an intermediate zone down here. 1 minute MACD's cross back over going up. Not a strong crossover, but a crossover nonetheless.
Mm-hmm. 5 minutes still in the put bias position.
Yeah, trying to turn up though.
Yeah. Wow, Dow's down by 559 now. NASDAQ down by 145, S&P down by 41. So pretty deep.
We're getting good volume on each of the candles.
Indeed. Let me see, only 1 minute below 100,000.
Yeah, and that was right before the 10 o'clock
Yeah.
candle. Mhm. It's really going nowhere fast since about 10:04 here.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just really in consolidation at this point.
And just about got a doji on that last candle there, right up
Mm-hmm.
here.
But the overall bias is still very much toward the put side. So I would expect this to come down.
Hey, close to doji on that last Heikenase candle too.
Yeah.
Oh, we can move that demand zone down just a little
Yes.
bit.
Yes, we can.
Mhm.
But we're still in consolidation here.
Hey, Tim,
Yeah.
when I put a stop loss in an active trader,
Uh-huh.
does it go there as a limit order or a market order?
Uh, Depends on how you have it set. But Keith can probably answer that because I don't use active trader much. So,
Yeah, I think you can set it up for either a limit or a market order when it does that.
yeah.
And typically on a stop loss, I think I enter it as a market order once it arrives at that amount.
Then market maker gives you whatever he feels like.
Yeah, but if it's really starting to dive the other direction, that's okay, I think. Um,
It just took me down 24 cents a little bit ago.
Hmm. Yeah, that sounds like a market order.
I didn't mean for it to be. Okay.
I'd be tempted to do a call here, but all the markets are down pretty big. Plus, we're
Yeah.
getting close to VWAP here. It does cross VWAP and stay across, then I would consider a call trade, probably the 603.
Yeah.
At the 5 minute MACD's trying to cross back over going up. trying to cross over both that intermediate zone and the VWAP and
Yeah.
got kicked back.
Hey guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. See, we got it. It's coming down a bit. Yeah, I see it turned right when I was considering getting into a call trade. I've got the Dow is down by 676 now. Nas down by 144. S&P down by 47. Dow's really dropping today. Got 14,531,000 traded on the underlying. Guys, I'll be right back again. I'm sorry. No, we're still in consolidation here. Real tight range. Come on down. Come on down.
Mhm. Yeah, just shooting between these zones here.
Mm-hmm. Starting to see less volume coming in now.
Yeah, but still reasonable amount.
Yeah.
15.2 million underlying traded. Just about an hour into the trading. Bounced off that demand zone.
Yep. One minute, MACD did cross, has crossed over the put bias side, still heading down. Big push down on that last candle with good volume.
Yeah, it did get kicked back there, didn't it?
Sure did. Comes price breaking through the demand zone.
Was that your snowy wilderness, Keith?
It was.
Let's see if this breaks out down. I'll probably be at the 606 on the put side. Just keeping an eye on it in case this breaks down. Keith, you're still on that put?
No, 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 I
No,
got out of that quite
quite
some time ago. I
some
10
time.
10:07 I got out of that.
Oh, okay.
When you were trying to get out, I was able to get out and you rode it for a modest gain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you think on this one?
I'm thinking might get in at the 606. I'm gonna keep an eye on. I like to see these candles get longer.
Well, that answered that.
Yeah, it did.
You, you were supposed to say, watch the candles get longer going down.
Yeah, it wasn't specific.
Anyway, while we're sitting here watching a second, yeah, this was this morning.
Oh my gosh.
So we got about 5 inches or so.
Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. And you still have power and everything.
Yeah, yeah. It I mean with that heavy snow on the trees, it'll take trees down, so
Yeah.
so far so good.
Hmm.
And I was supposed to fly to Florida this morning, and I changed my flight till this afternoon. But over the weekend, I was getting worse and worse and worse from a cold I picked up going to California. So I said, no, not gonna go down and share that with everybody and with mom. So
Yeah.
I'll either go down later this week or I may go down on Sunday night for a few days.
Okay.
You're crazy Ivan in there again.
Yeah.
How many trades have you had this morning, Tim?
I've got three trades up 86.
Oh, good, good, good. I just have two up on one and down on the other and down slightly this morning. Guess the market's just really jittery based on the new tariff comments out of the White House.
Yeah. Price coming down again. Trying to anyway. Oh, do we lose Keith again?
Think so.
Yeah. All right. Lost internet again, he says. Okay. All right. Let's do this. There we go. There's mine back.
Oh, you're right on time too.
Yay. Thank you for looking.
No problem.
Time to come down. Hey guys, excuse me just one more second.
You hear me, Tim?
I didn't. I'm sorry. I was out. What?
Oh, I just got internet back.
Oh, wonderful.
I don't know what's happening.
Too much snow, Keith.
Yeah, never know if it's the trees coming down in the lines or the snow plows playing hockey with the little internet huts at the end of the driveway. I think I won't do any trades at the moment, though.
Yeah.
Not when I keep losing internet.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Price is declining, but it's declining so slowly. Just looks like the
Yeah,
right kind of pattern for the market maker to decide to run a campaign in the opposite direction.
yeah, just waiting for enough suckers to get in on it.
Hmm. It's rising now. Although Dow is still down by 683. Nas down by 177, S&P down by 55. Price is generally declining, although at a very, very slow rate. Price coming down again. But it looks like we're back into a consolidation pattern. Got 18,340,000 traded on the underlying. Dow's down by 671, Nas down by 186, S&P down by 55.
That's 6 decimal points to the right of the volume, Tim.
Wow.
I have no idea why they would need six decimal points, but that's what it is.
That
You
is
look at,
weird. I don't
you
know
look
what
at it,
that.
yeah, you look at it real close, and those aren't commas. Now that's not
No,
a comma after the millions. That's a decimal point.
it sure is. Wonder why they decided to start giving us
Well, I mean, have
fractional.
6 decimal points, I guess, is a millionth. So that's a millionth of a share.
Yeah, yeah.
We don't need to know that much.
I really don't.
That must be Spock reading the numbers. He always has to go to 6 decimal points.
Mm. Hmm. Price dropping pretty well now. Little increase in volume.
Wow.
Market maker putting his foot on the gas here.
Yep.
Always be weary of those quick push downs. Are often followed by an equal and opposite push up. Oh, just a note. Charts are going to come down in a few minutes after our session today. I've got training that I'm doing, so I'm going to need to come down off the charts. And to my and Harry, if you will just log back in at 15 after the hour, we will do our session then.
Mhm. Well, I think I'm gonna head on out now, Tim. Gotta get back out and shovel some more snow.
Oh, well, that sounds like fun.
Oh yeah, yeah. So anyway, I should be back in the morning.
All right, buddy. We will see you then.
All right, thanks.
Stay warm.
Yep.
It's not exactly warm here in Georgia today either.
It's 41 here. What is it there?
It is 31. 31 here, and we started in the 20s this
Wow.
morning. Yeah. As I'd probably be into this put at this point, I just don't want to give anything back. Price still dropping. Okay, we're at the top of the hour. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up here. Had a good morning. Three trades up 86. Hope you had a good morning as well. And wherever you are, I hope you stay warm this afternoon, and we will see you again tomorrow morning. Just a reminder, the charts are going to come down in a few minutes. And Harry, just log back in 15 minutes, and we'll do our thing. All right, guys, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow.